remember the day when we first met. It was just a usual day for anyone else and also for us, but who wouldn't thought that was the day that God started creating our love story.
There's a whisper of the silence, I can hear it calling me. There are secrets in the darkness, there's a light beyond our reach. Time stands still, we find out.
Palagi akong nagpapasalamat sa may likha at ibinigay ka niya sa akin. Sa isang katulad mo na iintindihin, may malawak na pangunawa at mamahalin ako ng buong buo.
It's a mystery. It's a mystery.
You witnessed all my failures, mistakes, all my downfalls in life, and you were there. You stayed from giving me advices and supporting me for all the decisions I've made.
It's a mystery. You were alone, left out in the cold, clinging to the ruin of your broken home. Too lost and hurting to carry a load. We all need someone to hold.
Sinong mag-aakala na ang tinatawag ng lahat na Kuya Nelson, na pati din ako, ay mapapangasawa ko pala.
You've been fighting the memory all on your own. Nothing washes, nothing grows. I know how it feels being by yourself in the rain. We all need someone.
Thank you for being my therapist, my mentor, advisor, and all. I really can't imagine my journey here, especially nung nag-move ako sa Cavite without you.
Cry out, oh, you're fixing me up, you show me how.
Nasaksihan ko kung paano ka mag-grow. Simula sa pagluto, ng masarap ng napagkain na request ko, kahit YouTube lang, pero masarap.
You've drunk it down and you spat it out, and nothing tastes like the things you had. So tear it off, why don't you let them go? We all need someone to stay. We all need someone to stay. Here falling on and cry out, oh, you're fixing me up, oh, you show me how. The end of the day, we're helpless. Can you keep me close? Can you love me most? Can you keep me close? Can you love me most? Can you keep me close? Can you love me most? You were alone, left out in the cold, clinging to the ruin of your broken home. You were falling and lonely, cry out.
Pinapangako ko sa araw na to,
You fix
na ikaw lang yung mamahalin
me, show me
at hindi ka pagtataksilan.
day.
Gagawin lahat
Helpless.
para sa magiging pamilya natin.
Can you keep me close?
I love you.
Can you love me?
pakiligin ka araw-araw, papasahin ka araw-araw, kasi alam kong may mga away pa tayo. Ngunit, ang aking maipapangako ay ang pipiliin ka araw-araw.
Can you keep me close? Can you love me most? Can you keep me close? Can you love me most?
I am proud to be your wife. I am proud to be your best friend. And if given the choice, I'll do it again. Mahal kita, Nelson Dayaday.